The Foolproof 10K per month Ollie framework strategy for beginners in 2024. And in this video, we are going to cover the fastest path for you to be able to make 10K per month. We're also going to go into how to leverage your offer in a way that it attracts consistent leads so you don't have to chase them down or pay for expensive ads. We're also going to talk about how to avoid running into technical issues along the way. And then we're going to talk about how to build a flywheel for your business so your business can continue to operate and continue to generate leads and sales for many years to come. So I've just pulled up as a bit of social proof some income screenshots on the screen here, just so that you can see this is something that I actually do. But this isn't about me, this is about you. And I've been able to help students from all over the world start making affiliate commissions online. And then we have Pascal Kurz over here on the left from Germany, making commissions from what I taught him. We have Dave King over here on the right, making commissions. He's from the UK. We got Pascal here making another commission. And then we have Srini from India making commissions. So if any of you want more information on how to do this stuff, I recommend clicking on the free training down in the description on my Ollie framework on how you can start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop on how to make money online. My main goal is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can have financial freedom and time to do the things that you love the most, whether that be spending time with the family, going away on holidays, whatever that may be. And I create videos on the following topics, which is make money online, affiliate marketing, traffic, and automation. So the fastest path for you to make 10K per month. So we're going to talk about, high ticket versus low ticket affiliate marketing, right? So it's just a case of doing simple maths. Okay. If you're selling something low ticket, let's just say, for example, you're selling something for $100 and you want to make 10K per month, then you need to sell 100 people into that. You need to sell 100 of those products in the space of a month in order to make that a reality, which is going to be quite a difficult, painstaking task, right? Whereas if you're selling something high ticket, let's say you're getting paid $1,000 commissions, you only need to sell 10 people in, which is going to be a much easier way for you to make 10K per month, okay? So the next thing, this is going to be one that's really, really important, is to make sure that you're only selling products that you actually believe in, okay? I cannot stress how important this stuff is. If you're just going on to ClickBank and you're just grabbing random products that you don't know anything about, and then you're trying to sell them just to make a quick commission, then that's going to be bad for your business, because if you end up selling a product that's not very good to someone, they're not really going to come back. They're not really going to be happy. They're going to try and refund. So you want to make sure that most of the products that you're selling are ones that you've probably invested in the past, and you actually believe that they're good quality. All right. And you want to be able to sort of offer bonuses to set yourself apart from the masses. And this isn't difficult. So let's just say, for example, that you sold something high ticket, you're selling a course, for example, and you could just offer support as one of your bonuses. Okay. So when people purchase from you, if they run into any issues, they've got somebody to fall back on, you could offer support, and that's really going to set you apart from all the other people that are basically selling the exact same product, right? So the next thing we're going to go into is basically how to leverage your offer in a way that it attracts consistent leads so you don't have to chase them down. So you may be sat there wondering, Andy, like, which platform do I use, right? And my recommendation, my favorite platform is YouTube, but there's a few different routes that we can go down, which we're going to go into right now, okay? So the first route is short form content, and these are things such as TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Short form content is a really good way to get quite a good following quite quickly, because these platforms will serve you a lot of traffic quite fast. So it's really good if you want to sort of just, push a little traffic onto your offer quite quickly. I recommend going through shorts. If you want to build more of a long-term relationship, really warm people up better, get better quality leads, then I recommend going for long-form video content, which are going to be things like YouTube videos, typically videos that are over a minute long. The best sort of range would be sort of, 5 to 10 minutes, but that's completely up to you, right? And you basically want to be using a sales funnel to automate the process. Now, if you are selling products off ClickBank, JVZoo, or somewhere like that, then you don't really have to worry about building a funnel, because when people click on your affiliate links, then it's going to be sending them to a funnel that the seller has set up already, right? So you don't really have to worry about all of that stuff. And then now we're going to talk about basically how to avoid running into technical issues along the way. So I create videos, obviously, for my YouTube channel, just like the one that you're watching right now. And I actually have a video editor. Okay. So I recommend hiring out a video editor to basically take care of that. So all you really need to do is focus on actually creating the content, sending it off to the video editor, and then having them edit it and then send it back to you so that you can upload it. Okay. And by doing this, it will help keep viewers watching your videos right the way through, or at least it will help keep that retention there higher than it would be if the video was unedited, right? And this will help you sort of free up time in your schedule, guys, right? So yeah, just hire somebody out to do the techie bits for you. I'm not really going to go into detail on how to do video editing because that's far too complex for this stage of the video. All right. And then now we're going to talk about how to build a flywheel for your business using the Ollie framework. Okay. And a flywheel is essentially just, a system that will continue to generate leads and sales for your business over and over and over again. Okay. So as obviously we have growth in the middle here, we've spoken about, how you can get, high ticket offers. If you want to sell something low ticket, that's completely up to you, but I do recommend going with high ticket offers. And then from there, we leverage it through video content, which we've just spoken about, whether that be short form content or long form content. And then we basically build infrastructure by hiring somebody onto our team to help us with our video editing. And this is just basically a process. Once you get your business up and running and you get this process down, this was something that would just continue to turn out leads and sales for your business. So if you want me to guide you step by step on growing or scaling your affiliate marketing business, I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that I put together. My name's Andy Mattis, and I'm out.